Hey everyone, welcome back to new content of Cybroses. So in today's video, we will look into the updates of Odoo 18 and we're going to discuss about search matching applicants. Now let's consider an example that we have just posted a job of consultant in the website and we just need to get applications for that. So whenever we just post a job in the website, we would set certain expected skills and from that we just need to get the potential and efficient applications, right? So Odoo 18 offers a robust application tracking systems that allow you to efficiently search for and manage the potential candidates. Now let's dive into the recruitment module. And from here you can find the job applications and we're just gonna manage with the consultant as we have just posted that job in the website. Now as you just move on to the three dots here, you would be able to find the configuration where you can also see that whenever we just post the job position in the application, in the website, we also provide the expected skills in order to pick up the potential candidates. Okay, so I have provided certain skills over here. So whenever I just received certain applications from the user, I will be going with these skills because whenever these skills match with the applications, I can easily pick up the potential and efficient applications. So here you can see that currently we have received 3 job applications. Now let me move on that. And you can see we just not need to manually check for the skills that's for each of the application. Instead of that, we can just move on to the settings of the job applications. From there, we can find a field called search matching applicants. So let me choose that. So as I just choose that here, you can see currently we have 2 applications which has the matching skills that with the name of the applications, the email and all other details. And here you can find the matching score as well as the matching skills and missing skills. So this would definitely allow the company to choose the applications which are more efficient and potential for this job positions. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.